there's nothing better than terrorizing the streets in supercars on a random weekday.
I just came to my senses, yo. I stay in another dimension. Fear is non-existent. Suit up and swing through the city. Hey, annihilate. I'm wide awake. Be very afraid. I'm in my own world. Give me space. I'm in my own universe. Give me space, babe. Yeah. Weezy Carter.
What it do, boys? We are back with another video. Today's an exciting day because the Aventador, finally, after being stock for the last 12 months we've owned it, now has an exhaust. So what are we gonna do tonight? We're gonna go rip the fuck out of it. I have a Porsche GT3 RS delivery for Mason Ashby. We deadass, it's 11 at night. We drove 30 minutes to come pick this dude up. Drop the Porsche off. Now time to, what are we on? Just terrorize the street? Bro, okay, so I got this new exhaust, right? We didn't have time to take the cats off, so it still has cats. And so it barely even sounds louder than the stock one. It's like the same shit, bro, driving the whole way here.
Doesn't sound that different.
Yeah, no. Like idling, it's a tiny bit louder, but like driving, it's like a tiny bit louder too. It's like the same shit, but.
Is that a whole process to get the cats off?
Yeah, it takes longer than the actual exhaust. So I'm gonna do it. It's just I didn't have time to let me out. But regardless, still a fun car, but it's just quiet. All right, boys. First little pull, short road, but. Okay, it turned those people's heads. So it must not be too quiet, but it's nothing like, it doesn't scream. It needs that scream, and that's what the cats are keeping it from doing.
That really rich shit, nigga. That does a lot better than this shit. I got rich and I cut everybody out. Fuck.
All right, guys, final result of how much does it cost to fill the cars up. This one had 44 miles left in it, and it came out to 104.56. The Aventador had like 66 or 67 miles left. This one came out to 64.56. So the Porsche is more expensive, but this probably has a smaller tank than the Porsche, I would imagine. This thing burns gas more, most definitely. 12-cylinder, first inline six.
For anyone who's looking to get out of the trenches, you need to spam stimulants. Whatever gets you aroused, you need to spam it to lock in and get the fuck out of the trenches.
That's the only way?
There's no other way.
So, this shit crazy.
Aye. Put your hand in the air if you ain't been broke in a minute. Now keep your hand in the air if you're trying to repent for sinning. Oh yeah, losing sleep just so I can keep on winning. Stat will smell like Stewie, now my stat like Peter Griffin. Put your hand in the air if you ain't been broke in a minute. Now keep your hand in the air if you're trying to repent for sinning. Oh yeah, losing sleep just so I can keep on winning. Stat will smell like Stewie, now my stat like Peter Griffin. I say how I feel, but I don't wanna overstep. I've been in the gym, was carrying weight on me. Them times not counting reps. I hit my bro like, yo, what's good on the block? I ain't been there in a sec. I got that check. Do that shit in a minute and hit rock bottom again.
Yo, that was, bro, he doesn't like drive cars besides when he drives mine, and I'm actually surprised because he knows how to drive that shit. Like, that was a perfect downshift and then acceleration. It's not very often that I drive side by side with one of my own cars besides if like unless Pierre's driving it or like Mason's driving it. And when Pierre drives it, he doesn't totally know how to drive it, so he doesn't do shit like that. That's like the first time I've like really heard my car from the outside, the 3RS at least. That shit sounds nuts, bro. It's so fucking loud. Nothing better than terrorizing the streets in supercars on a random weekday.
I think after this weekend though, after going out, it made me realize like to like not be in the trenches that hard.
Bro, I think in the end of the day, it's like all about balance. It's like fucking, you got balance. I don't know. Some people are like made to where they can like go out and fuck off more than other people. And some people, like, if they go fuck off for one night, like, it screws up like their whole week.
Yeah.
But I don't know. There's certain people that like, I'm not gonna say names, that I know that like party a lot, bro. And they're like way more successful than us.
Yeah.
Like they still get shit done. It's also like about the position of leverage you're in too, I guess, a little bit. But I think it's just about balance and like knowing your own limits, you know. But I agree. I think it's good to have like nights where you just crash out. It's like healthy. It's normal. Like you go insane if you don't, bro.
Dude,
I do
literally. No, another thing too, I think when you're so caught up in working every single day and try to hit like a certain, let's say, revenue point, or like try to accomplish a certain level, you become so attached to it that it's like there's no shot that you're gonna get to it because you're just constantly thinking about it, like, oh, I'm not there yet. You know, so when you take a step back and you start to realize like you're bigger than that.
Even for me too, like I realized when I went home and then went to New York, like that shit is actually crucial for me to like get out of this environment for a little bit and go somewhere else that's completely different environment, because that just gets me in the best creative flow ever. Like when I was back home, something just about like traveling just gets me in a different state of mind that gives me like the best business ideas, or just like the best like input on things, like just the best like flow state of mind. So that's something I realized after going home in New York, because before going home in New York I was like feeling like hella complacent, like not motivated to work, and like wasn't getting that much shit done, and like I was just kind of slacking off a little bit compared to usual. And then like I went home and now I've came back and now I'm like I've been hella locked in the past couple of days and like motivated to work. But
well, when you like experience new environments too, you're in a whole different like wave of frequency. It's a whole different like ecosystem.
Yeah, exactly.
So there's so many different creative ideas that can come to your mind when you're not stuck and doing the same like routine every single day.
Yeah, 100%. I'm definitely like implementing that as like a monthly or like bi-monthly thing that even if it's like by myself, going somewhere like fucking Puerto Rico or something.
I think it like bounces back to balance, but how often do you think like traveling would be too much?
Again, there's certain people who can travel and still get shit done. There's certain people who travel and it just screws everything up for them. I feel like I can still travel and get like the bare minimum shit done, but I can't like ever get in the flow of doing deep work and like actually like push the needle and like really get shit done. I can get the bare minimum done, but so for me, traveling has to be like balanced. It's also good because like when I travel, it's hella good like content, and like I said, it's good for like my mental. But I don't know. Do you like get fucked up when you travel? I feel like you get more shit done than I did. Like when we were in the Bahamas, you were like on your computer. No,
I don't know about all that.
You were at least sitting at your computer a lot more than I was.
Yeah, but it was like.
But that was also like a crash out trip.
Dude,
like we knew going into that, like we were just gonna fuck off the whole time. We were like, we need to detach from work.
Bro, that was a straight D-gen fucking trip. We would have our fun, and then the next day I would like just be sitting there staring at my computer blank. It was bad, bro. See, that's the thing though. Like that's needed. I feel like stuff like that's needed once in a while.
Yeah, but like I don't know. It just depends on the style of trip too. Because even when I was like over the summer in Mykonos, like I didn't get anything done really, or like Dubai, I didn't really get anything done. But like When we went to Newport,
Oh yeah,
like we were getting shit done. Everyone was like working.
you gotta go there again.
Yeah, we should. That's like a good locked-in vibe.
Where do you see yourself like settling down? Is it gonna be Florida?
Yeah, I don't know. That's a good question. Definitely not Miami, but I think Florida. Maybe like Boca or some shit, somewhere more chill. I don't know. Did you go back home?
I don't know, bro. I don't know. I fuck with Cali so much. It's so nice
Bro,
there.
the taxes though, you just get bent over backwards.
Okay, hear me
bro,
out.
you literally pay an extra 14% of your money to the government than you do here.
What about getting a crib out in Miami? An
Okay.
apartment?
Honestly, yeah, I gave the wrong answer. That's like the ideal situation, and that's what I will do, most likely, is have a crib here, have a crib like maybe New York, and then like maybe Cali.
Yeah.
That's like, bro, you could just, once you start to have kids and shit, it's hard to do that.
Yeah.
But I don't know, I'm not having kids for fucking, at least like,
What age?
6, 7 years. I don't know. Depends when I would like get married.
Yeah.
Cause bro, bare minimum, I need to date a girl for at least 2 years before I would marry her. And then, is that long?
That's early, I feel like.
That's early, bro. That's what I said. I was like talking to Pierre about that, and Pierre was like, "Nah, like you'll know, bro. As soon as you meet the right girl, like you'll know after 6 months whether she's like worth marrying or not." And I was like, "Hell no, bro. You got to give it like at least." He didn't say he'd marry a girl after 2 months, but he was like, after 6 months, you'll know if she's the one or not. And I was like, nah, bro, you got to give it like at least 2 years. Like my oldest brother and his girlfriend have been dating for I think almost 7 years, and they're not married yet. They're not even engaged.
Yeah, see, I think that's ideal. Yeah, okay, maybe that's pushing it, but that's probably like around the range that I
but
would
they
do
also
that.
started dating like sophomore year of high school, so it's a little different. Because if I started dating a girl now, that would mean I wouldn't get married till I'm 27. Which like isn't old to get married, I feel like. That's like pretty normal, no? To get married at 27?
Yeah.
Or that's a little late.
That's probably around the age that I would. Time's taken for me though.
Fuck.
I don't know, I think like
there's no rush on it, bro. That's the last thing you want to rush in fucking life.
yeah, for sure. I think I mean even going back to the trench shit, like that's not something I think that's something you can detach yourself from, and when it happens, it happens. Like finding
Like marriage?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's something you literally just have to let happen. And we are by no means in the fucking environment to find our wives.
No.
This fucking city is not the place to find our wives, bro.
No. New York.
I mean,
though.
maybe, but bro,
New York.
deadass. When we were in New York, bro, the girls way classier. Like, they actually, like, we went out to dinner with some girls, and then we went out after. And one of the girls in the group was like, I have to go home because I have to work in the morning. When would a girl ever say that in Miami?
Nah.
Never.
Nah.
Never.
No, girls in Miami will trench through it, fall asleep at 4
They
a.m.
don't even have
and-
jobs, bro. The girls in Miami they're not even employed.
Yeah.
So, I don't know. I mean, that's why, like, I'll probably give Miami maybe another year or two. Probably like 2. And then maybe move somewhere a little more low-key. Because I feel like after 2 years, we'll kind of be, like, starting to slow down with, like, the faster-paced lifestyle.
Yeah.
And start to get more of, like, maybe not. 2 years, I mean, I'd only be 23, so maybe not, but...
I'll be like 26, bro. By then.
Yeah.
Fuck.
I mean, I don't really look at it as, like, age. I feel like...
That's another
Age is
thing.
more of a number. It's like experience that like really fucking determines like your age.
Yeah.
You base your age off experience. Like you didn't get into the online business shit till like, not even that it's just about online business, but like actually experiencing the world and shit. You didn't get into like business specifically till like around the same time-ish as me, like a little after, right?
Yeah, but, no, maybe like a year after. Maybe like a year and a half after.
Yeah. So it's like, when people bring age up in business, I think it's completely irrelevant. I think it's like more about how long you've been in business. Like that's your age
For
in
sure.
business, rather than like,
For sure.
oh, I'm fucking 40, but I started my business when I was 39. Like,
That's a thing that I feel like I catch myself doing a lot too, that I'm sure a lot of the viewers can like relate to, is seeing someone, let's say your age, doing something like insane, but not knowing the fact that you've been in it for X amount of years, already gone through all the trench work, you know?
wait, what do you mean?
Like, for example, let's say like I'm constantly working 24/7 to try to get to that next level, but then I have to like rewind a bit and remind myself, oh, I've only been in the game for probably like 2 years now.
Yeah.
That's it. Which is
So
like
it's like-
baby numbers in business.
Yeah, realistically it is, bro. There's people that like trench for like 20 years just to like get their business off the ground. I mean, I feel like that's not common, but like 5 to get their business off the ground.
Yeah.
But
It's that comparison shit though.
Yeah, I mean,
it's hard not to
especially in business, it's hard to compare, but.
And social media nowadays.
Yeah.
People seeing like, you know, every day there's a new clip of someone buying a Lamborghini, I feel like.
Yeah. Or even like this shit, bro. Like people who maybe this is their first time ever seeing me, they're like, damn, this kid, like.
Yeah. Not knowing that you've been in it for.
Yeah, not knowing like the whole process. Boys, that's another wrap on a video. Hopefully y'all like this. I feel like this was a good mix of what each side of my audience fucks with. The car shit, the cool flashy stuff, and then like the raw just like conversation. But if you guys are interested in learning more about what I do for a living, how I afford all these cool cars, as well as what Mason does for a living too, go and check out the links in the description. I have a free training link for you guys, as well as a link to my second YouTube channel where I post solely just business content. So Mad Sauce down there, check those out. Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a comment down below what your favorite car of mine is. And I will catch you guys in the next video.